K1 Skyline is your venue. Okay, I have a few questions lang po. My first question is, was the venue po ba is spacious and komportable naman po ba sa number of guests?
Yes, that is correct, no? Yeah, sobrang ganda ng place, no? And considering it's a penthouse, and I believe naman nag-enjoy sila, not only the space, of course the view. Ayan. So, yes, you're correct.
Okay, thank you po. For my second question, did you feel well supported throughout the planning and event day?
Well supported ba? 199%. Kung may 1 million %, yes na yes. Sobrang thankful kami kasi nag-work together talaga yung ating K1 Skyline sa aming coordinator.
Thank you so much po. And my last question is, would you recommend our venue to others?
Yes, definitely recommend.
Definitely
siya, no?
recommend.
Ayan, so I believe marami kaming kakilala that are mahilig sa mga events, and I believe this place is I believe number 1 on the list na pwede namin recommend. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much po once again. Congratulations po and best wishes po sa inyo.
Thank you. Thank
so
you,
much.
K1
Thank you.
Skyline.
K1 Skyline.
Hindi na kayo para dito po yung bridal.
Yes.
I know.
Gender reveal.
Yes.
Yes.
Lahat na.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much po. Congratulations.
Thank
so
you.
much, K1.
Thank you.